All right, and we are live. So, Mark's in a spunky mood today.
Me?
Yeah.
I like spunky Mark.
It's because I just want to make $500 million.
500 million.
Yep.
It's just updating.
Wait! Ooh.
And I will make 500.
I didn't show you anything other than updates.
Okay, I was pretending to be excited anyway, so.
Oh, all right. You should.
Yeah.
So today was pretty good. I finished everything with Windows and like the loading issue. And then I don't know if Windows went to hell or if something else is acting funky, but things stopped loading quickly. So now I'm trying to just not run it on Parallels. So I'm booting up the Surface Book to see if it's an issue.
Are you sure you don't have nested for loops and times 10, you know? Maybe some infinite
Oh,
loop?
I'm positive. I'm positive I have nested for loops. That's how I keep everyone patient and not in a rush with life.
Like at least 6. If you have at least 6 nested for loops, you're doing good. I mean, the more.
Yeah, I actually loop loading all the data 6 times.
Yeah. Yeah. It makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. And I also spread it across multiple threads, but the loop continues on all like 4 threads at a time. It's really cool.
It's really impressive, man. I'm like super impressed.
Yeah, you should be. Cade goes, bro, do you even nest?
Oh, that's rad.
All right, so let's see. Yeah, that's all I did. I talked to Evan today about cool stuff. And talked to Nate today. And then Mark promised that he would help him out. So that's cool. And that comment feature is done, right?
It's getting close. We made a lot of progress, cleaned up a lot of code, but we'll be at it all night. We'll be at it all night.
All right. Cool, man. Well, that's me. How about you, Nate?
Yeah. Pair programming all day.
You roasted Jacob.
I roasted Jacob pretty good.
I don't believe you.
Subjective.
Yeah, that's it. Just pair programming, like Mark said. We'll just be at it, coding all night.
I want some video of the pair programming, like, Mark reaching around you.
Yeah, I control the mouse and
All that good
tell
stuff.
me where to click.
Yep. Yeah, we've been.
That would actually.
What would be cute is if, you shared a mouse and you clicked through each other's fingers.
Jason, get a video of that for Instagram.
That's what we're doing. We've been forking and spooning and knifing, and it's great.
That'd be actually like a really fun viral video. Like, when the guy teaches the girl how to golf, you can do it for like pair programming.
Do it.
Have you guys ever seen that? There's a CSI episode where they're getting hacked, and so like the one computer person's like trying to stop the hacker, and then there's another person with them, and they go, "Move over, I'll help," and they're both like typing on the keyboard, and it's like supposed to make them like super powerful or something.
You get the left side of the keyboard, I'll take the right.
That's not how it works, I don't think.
Johnny, clearly you've never had a strong pair programming partner.
I guess not.
Hit enter.
All right, sweet. Wait, who did I just ask about their day?
That was me.
Okay, Jason.
Today was fun. We got some things set up so we can, help with our subscribers, contact them in different situations that may arise, and then created a way that we can start tracking some of the sources where our subscribers are coming from, and did some marketing stuff for that, and reached out to a ton of people, and was helping people out on Discord And then I got 2 new courses uploaded into the app. The Android, was it Android Studio Tricks and Tips, or just Android Tricks and Tips, something like that. And then the 3D Touch and Quick Actions. So
Wait, are those live or no?
those are live.
I didn't see them in that.
Right, Jacob? They were pushed.
Wait, which ones?
The
They're live.
courses, the 3D Touch and Quick Actions, and the other ones. Jack gave you the bird back.
Wait, who made that icon? That is like not an Android. What? Android Studio. That doesn't even look like an Android Studio
Or is it
icon.
just Android
Oh.
Tips?
That was definitely me. What,
Oh my
what
God.
should it be?
Evan, go Google image search the Android Studio icon. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
He like
Wait, I want to see this now.
he just like, oh, I heard the word Android. Let's put the same green robot that's on every other Android course that we possibly could
Yeah,
have.
not.
Hey, Evan,
Wait,
good.
Man,
wait.
Told
What is?
you.
Oh,
Mark's all funky today.
compare the one I have.
Yeah, we should change the icon though.
Alright, that can be up.
Okay, let me
Anyways, 2 new courses, target topics, actually,
change that.
to the app. Nathan, you're like, totally cut me off.
sorry, man.
That's all good. Yeah, cute icon.
Who wrote this sales? Become an Android Studio power user. That's like the most pathetic sales pitch I've ever seen in my life. All right, so I continue.
Mark's roasting today.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
I don't know. This is Android. Doesn't mean you have to put a freaking robot on every icon. That's it, he said. Jacob. Freaking Evan, man. I know. Oh yeah, Evan. That new in-app purchase one though, like 10 times better than Caleb's. Seriously.
I agree.
But
I agree in full.
Evan, don't feel bad because that Caleb's was 10 times better than Jason's. So.
Mark's on a roll today.
I only feel bad for Jason in this situation now.
Yeah, I made
Fun.
you, but it looks like the rest of it didn't say.
I don't know. In my opinion, those coins are about to smash a glass screen, but
But iPhone has the strongest glass now, remember?
It's not an.
yeah, until you drop a gold coin on it.
They're make-believe coins, so.
Yeah, maybe to you. All right, Mark, why don't you give your update?
I like the 3D Touch one. Oh, that's nice. So
Where's the 3D Touch one?
it's just on the website. 3D Touch Quick Actions.
It's also in the app.
Oh my gosh, guys, we need to work on our salesmanship here. 3D Touch Quick Actions. Today you will learn how to use Quick Actions with 3D Touch.
It doesn't say that, by the way.
Just,
That is not at
I'm
all
just
what it
saying,
says.
like, a little more care could go into. Oh, okay, all right. It's all good. The content's good though. The
You learn
content's
how to
good.
press your screen monitor.
Content's good. So yeah, it's a good day. It's a good weekend, week beginning. It was a good week beginning. Evan finally came back, which was really nice. He's gone. We got a chat. Oh, that's so pretty.
It works on the Windows machine. Yeah.
It's not even your turn. So
I interrupt whenever I want.
we did a hackathon.
Look at me. Look at me.
Me, Jacob, and Caleb did a hackathon in Portland for 2 days. Well, actually, more like 3 days with Red Foo. We're building out an app idea, and we have a course coming out real soon. All the videos recorded for it, but basically the course is called From App Idea to MVP, and we documented our whole process from how you get the idea and how you formulate the team, and then how you assign tasks, and how you actually start a project, and how you get your GitHub repo, and getting like AWS, what we need to sign up for, and how to make everything, and how to cut features because you got to hit the MVP, and how to throw things out the window, but take other things in the app. And we have a whole course on it, video recorded, super good, super funny actually too. And that'll be coming out really soon. So I'm excited about that. And then I'm going to quickly help Nate get our brand new comments feature out, so you can comment in the apps and post code problems and get answers. And then right after that, I'm going to start working on a brand new course that's going out. Super amazing. It's basically, the running title is Data Science for Apps and Startups. And basically, I'm going to teach you how to use data science to figure out how to improve your apps and how to read the data and how to, it's with your businesses as well too. You know, why are my users canceling? Why are my users stop using the app after 5 minutes? You know, answering all those important questions so you can make business decisions to make your apps better, to make your startups better, help you make more money. And it's for anybody who has ever built an app or wanted to build an app. You should absolutely take this course so you can actually know if you're on the right track versus just picking random features and things and hoping you're in the right direction. So that course, big course, working on that among many other things. So that's my deal. That's my deal. Jacob.
Good job, Mark. Johnny B.
Good day. Recorded. Well, I wrote the app, recorded it, edited it, got it all uploaded, and I am almost ready to start recording my second of the day. Hoping to get that all finished up by the end of the night as well. That one's going to be, what I'm working on now is interview questions.
Oh, great. Yep. Hey, Johnny, awesome. We're gonna end up doing more courses like that. So if you could really think through the format of how that type of course is put together, so it's not boring, but like interactive questions, answers, like versus just staring at a camera, you know, and being like, what is the Android activity lifecycle? The Android activity lifecycle, none of that. Like great interactive.
Yeah. So let me tell you kind of what I've been thinking. You give me some feedback. I have it kind of divided into a few sections that I want to touch on. So I think I'm going to start talking about like just general topics that you should understand, like the SDKs, for instance. Like you need to know how to do a recycler view. You need to know how to do like layout stuff. And then for each of those topics, I'm going to reference and look at the projects that I've already built in the Kotlin course to like show, this is the stuff that you need to know and this is how you do it, etc. Then I have
you're gonna show the method. That's great. That's great.
Like the actual code in the projects that we've already done.
Yes, great.
Then for like the actual like specific QAs, then we're going to kind of still like it'll have specific Q&As, but it'll still be looking at code in the projects that we've done. And then for a section on soft skills, talking about kind of like, because a lot of our people are coming from not CS degree backgrounds, and kind of talking about how you can make that a strength instead of, a perceived weakness. Kind of like little inspirational part, like telling them, you got to make them see that you love programming so much that, you're willing to put in the time and effort, stay up into the wee hours of the morning, move mountains to reach your goals.
Yeah.
So, and then like just kind of that kind of stuff. Those are the kind of three sections I was looking at.
I like the direction, and I don't think you actually have to even code anything. You can just pull up and code snippets that demonstrate.
I was into coding. Just like everything that we've already covered. This is what you need to know, and here's where I teach it in depth. So go and reference that, and yeah.
Oh, Johnny, what you should do is you should like have it where you're interviewing yourself. So one video is you in a suit, and you're like, "So Johnny, tell me about some of your strengths," and then it goes to you, and you're like in your hoodie with your beard, just like kind of like how you normally look, all like scruffy and messed up, and then you like talk back and forth to each other. Like that'd be so funny. It'd be like funny but cool. I don't know.
My weaknesses are my strengths.
I don't have my suit with me.
All right.
Conference weekend.
Go buy one.
No,
that's
I'm
me.
just kidding.
Sounds good.
All right, cool, man. Good work.
All right.
Evan.
What's up? So let's see. Did finished the 3 promo videos for Target Topics. Finished the Arc Swift one, as well as the Android and the 3D Touch. Made 2 icons, one of which I'm going to change. Let's see, what else? So I finished the unbounced landing pages for the meetup. If we want to send that out soon, for those of you who didn't see it yesterday, basically we want to have meetups. We're going to start in California, so NorCal and SoCal. We're trying to get a sense of how many people would come out and where we need to book the space. But basically, we want to meet all of our students face to face now. All 170,000 of you guys, but we're going to start with California first. So yeah, finish those. Those can go out whenever. Let's see, the promo videos. Oh, so Caleb, I got your voiceovers, and for Target Topics right now in the future, or for the future, I think it would be great how you guys started to do it. So package up the voiceover with the videos. And Johnny, the folders in Vimeo helped so much. Like just being able to download, because that's actually takes the longest for me, at least, is like downloading the video, finding where you're talking about a specific section, making like a 5-second thing and throwing it in there. So that really helped, and that's good. I kind of did some more catch up, analyzed our current apps, and sort of along the lines of like subscriptions versus a la carte purchases, things like that. I ran some Stripe and Intercom analysis to see, like how well we're converting our conversations to, subscribers and things like that. Although I guess some of the data was not entirely correct. It did trigger some ideas on like how we should be thinking about things, which was good. Like Jacob said, I had a good call with him as far as like the technical direction and what we need to do. Yeah, I was gonna go visit a college today and try to get in front of some classrooms, but my tires, like something was wrong with them. I had to get new tires today, and it took a huge chunk out of the day. So I was kind of pissed about that. But other than that, that's all I have.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Nice. Caleb.
No, he doesn't get to go. He made me walk on a bridge, and he's just not gonna.
Mark hates walking, apparently.
Or bridges.
Like we're hanging out, and he like takes us to this fun place. He's like, guys, like we're gonna do all this cool stuff. It's before our plane ride, and I'm feeling great. And he's like, come on, guys, let's go this way. I'm like, this is good. Caleb's so awesome. And then he like takes me on a 5-mile hike across like some massive bridge, and it's like 100 degrees outside, and I'm just like, what is going on? Like a mile in, I'm like, dude, what are we doing? He's like, we're walking. I'm like, where are we walking to? He's like, across the bridge. I was like, for what reason? He's like, just to do it. And I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. There's just going across the bridge and back. And anyway, so I don't like Portland anymore. It's dumb. So he doesn't get to go.
Sorry, Mark. I think your internet cut out. Were you saying something?
No.
Oh, okay. Weird. So anyway, moving on. My update. I recorded, edited, and uploaded the new Touch ID / Face ID target topic. So that's done, uploaded. VoiceOver is in Dropbox. Lesson list is in Dropbox, as well as assets and source code. That's done. And so then tomorrow, I'm going to devote some time to building out some more of the RedFoo Hackathon app, as well as diving into planning my next big course, which will be about machine learning for apps and products. It'll be a really cool course, just showing even more than just our basics of Core ML stuff. It'll be more of a deep dive into how to use machine learning for products, and not just for like analyzing photos and telling you that something's not a hot dog. more of like using it to sort data and make predictions about data and applications, or for sorting data based on certain conditions. Lots of really cool stuff. So that's what I'm going to start starting on tomorrow. And yeah, it's my update.
Yeah.
How many does that make for you, Caleb?
Wait, will anyone really care about anything other than if it's a hot dog or not?
We'll find out.
Just so you guys know, so I pulled Caleb off of Target Topics to make me a very large course. For some very particular reasons, if you guys want to ask me, you guys can. But we have the need to make a very in-depth machine learning course, and so we're just making a slight pivot. But rest assured that this will count for some of his courses towards his iPhone X. So Caleb is still just doing a great job. He's just going to make a very cheap course for us instead of a Target Topic. Anyway, that's all.
Awesome. Sorry, I have one more thing. Can I guess can everybody stay on after this? I have a question for you guys.
Cool. Should we just?
Yeah, you can kill it.
Kill it. All right. See you, everyone.